have something in my eye, like, do you see that? Okay, so today I made the executive decision to not revise for my A-levels, which are next week, but I'm going to clear out my makeup collection because it's about time. Like, it's bad. I am horrible at makeup. Like, I can't do my makeup. I have like 3 brushes and I don't know what any of them are. Like, it's bad. Like, it's really bad. Like, I haven't improved since I started doing makeup, which was when I was about like 10. This is the bag I've put all my makeup into over the past, like, I don't even know how many years. But basically, I haven't thrown out any makeup since I started collecting makeup. I don't know. When I started buying makeup when I was around 10 years old. So, that is disgusting. Like, that is actually disgusting! But today, we're gonna get rid of that. I think we just need to dive in. Let's clear out this big beefy beast and... well, let's go. Oh my god. Some beautiful makeup sponges. Aren't these just gorgeous? I think I have so many of these. There's a green one. Oh, we found the culprit. My old green color corrector. Wow. When I thought I was good at makeup and I knew what to do. I don't even know what this is, but it's not open. Like, the packaging is still on that. Like, all the plastic is still on that, right? But the stuff inside is like gone. Like, it's falling down. Like, do you see that? Like, the stuff at, like, whatever this is. What is this? The metallic eyeliner is like shrinking. Like, what happened? What is happening? We're opening it. Oh my god. She's dripping. Ew, should we swatch it? This is about it. Oh, this is a bad idea. She's definitely metallic. You know what? I don't want to get a disease, so I'm gonna get rid of that. My Demi Lovato palette! Oh my god, this is like £2. No, I'm joking. I don't know how much it was, but I used to use this all the time because I love the pink in it. Oh my god, these, you know what, these bad boys. Oh, more of these. Oh my god, how many of these do I have? Like, oh, it just doesn't stop. Right, these, I don't want these. Yeah, I used all of that. This is empty. Why did I keep this? Why did I keep this if it's literally empty? Number 7 Intense Volume Mascara. Another number 7 mascara. Another number 7 Intense Volume Mascara. Wow. I really love those. Look at the state of this. That is disgusting. I don't even want to touch that. A dirty piece of toilet paper with like lipstick markings on it. That is disgusting! This gold lip gloss I got when I was around 10 or 11 maybe. Because I remember it came in one of those like girl magazines. Tween girls want to learn how to do makeup. Buy our magazine. And I did. And this is the gold lip gloss from it. And I remember absolutely loving this. Like, oh my god, there's some left. Should I try it? I don't know if this is a good idea or not. But here goes nothing. Oh my god, that is gold. Oh, it disappeared. If I had this when I was like 10 or 11, that means this is like 6 or 7 years old. Which means it's definitely expired. Your time has been and gone. As much as I will remember you, you gotta go. Oh my god. I just found an absolute gem. This lip gloss came in like a set of 4 or something, I think. But I know exactly how old this is and I am ashamed to say. Basically, in primary school, when we did our school play, I remember we had to sit in the classrooms between our parts on stage, and I had my whole set of these, and me and the girls like around me, we were all like doing each other's makeup. I remember we had these and we were like putting these on each other and it was all fun and dandy. But that was when I was 10 years old. This lip gloss is 7 years old. I don't know how there's still so much. Apparently I didn't like orange. I feel like I should put it on. I feel like I need to put it on. Like, I know that's disgusting and unsafe, but like, you need to experience the full thing. Oh, it looks like a spot. It looks like a pimple. What's it gonna do? Is it gonna like burn my lips? Like, just get it over and done with. Why is it thick? I just dropped everything. You know, it just feels slimy. Like, it was a little thick when I put it on, and now it's just like slimy. I'm gonna get rid of that and hope that it doesn't burn my lips off, because, you know, that would be much appreciated. You know, I'm actually gonna go and take that off. That's everything. This wasn't really that interesting, but I got to clear up my makeup finally, like after, well, clearly after like 7 years, I finally cleared some of it out. So thank you for joining me on that journey. It's been an emotional roller coaster, honestly. This video was such a waste of time. Like, oh my god. Bye.